Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step by step how you can easily use Doodle. Doodle is amazing software, and I believe after watching this video you will know exactly what to do and how to use it. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the top right, sign up. Now here I'm going to write my email address and then full name and password, and then create account. Now, when you're gonna have it and you're gonna have been Doodle, you see that you're gonna have a lot of stuff that you can use. But right before that, I'm just going to confirm to create full account and have everything. Now, start by creating your first Doodle. So what you can do, you can create a group pool one-on-one meeting, and I can also click here start a trial. So I'm going to click start a trial. See, and this is where we are. What you can do also is go on the top right and see create, and do you see what you can do here? So you can do the group pool, the one-on-one, and booking page. So first we are going to create a group pool, and then we will continue to every single one of these. But also what you can do is you can connect to calendar. So when you have a create here, you're gonna have on your booking pages, you're gonna have a calendar here and contacts. So let's connect a calendar first. That's my recommendation for you to do. And then what you can do is also add a contact. Here you have not connected any contacts yet. And what you can do is to connect with Gmail or Office. So this is how you can do. And you can also do in the settings, connect your, again, Google and Office 365. And this is where you can edit it. So my recommendation, connect it first, and then we are going to continue. Now I'm going to click create and group pool. When we're here, what's the occasion? So let's say group occasion. Call. And now we will be calling each other. So we'll be talking about like the description, what is going to actually happen in your group call. And then location, when this is going to happen. So I can go, just use California. And then you have also option to have a video conferencing. And if you're gonna have Zoom, you need to also connect it. So if you're gonna use the video conferencing, you need to connect the app that you're gonna call with. So if it's going to be Google Meet or Zoom, etc. Now, you're gonna have add your times. So you see when you are actually available. And what you can do is to simply double click or just click on a Friday. And let's say I'm going to be Friday from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. When you're gonna connect to your calendar on Google, you would find it also here. Then when we go even further, you can see that you can change if it's going to be, what time it's going to be, Sudan, Spain, South Sudan, it doesn't matter. It's up to you what you're going to choose. Now you're going to have settings here. So you can set a deadline. Motivate participants to respond sooner. After deadline, we won't accept any responses. This is really great as a motivation. Limit how many participants can select a time. We'll remove a time when it hits the participant limit. And send automatic reminders. We'll email invited participants who don't respond. So let's say someone is going to like not respond yet, and they will get notification. You can also do the hide participant list. Only you will be able to see participants' personal details. And you're gonna have also deadline here, 30, 31, etc. When you can see also the limit how many participants can select time. You can sell like 15. We'll remove a time when it hits the participant limit. So when it's going to be 15, no one else can join. So this is also motivation. Hide participant list, only you will be able to see participants' personal details. Now, what I can do is to simply click create invite and continue. And now what I can do. So here I can, still waiting for responses. I can share the invite. I can copy the link, Or what you can do, you can email it. So add each address. So I can, let's say I'm going to add this one here. Okay, and I can add a message. And then what you're gonna do is to simply click email invite. Now, when you're gonna have this, you can also copy the link. And let's say I'm going to open a Chrome. And I'm going to paste it so you can see how it's going to be. And as you can see, okay, Marcus Stone has invited you to choose the best time for this meeting. Okay, here. And sub in your selection. Or you cannot find the time. And now, let's see. This is on Google Chrome. And as you can see, so this is really important what I'm going to show to you. You see right here that someone, participant, I'm going to refresh the website. Okay, we have 2 participants. And this is really great because you see actually how it works. And here you can see that they can see also. Now what I can do, if I'm going to edit it, and let's say this is going to be 1 meeting and then 2nd meeting, and then hide participant list and set the deadline, I can click save. So we have 2 options here. Now participants, Marcus, he wanted only this one, not this one here. But me, I'm okay with both of these meetings. So now what I'm going to do, I can simply click here, edit your selection. And as you can see, it's updated and I can even choose the different, let's say, meeting. Sub in your selection. And here we got it, pretty easy, pretty simple. Now, what I can do further is just book it. And here we are. You booked, even confirmation was sent to your invitees via email. And this is how you can do the first one. Now, the second one, one-to-one, I can simply click create. And this is really similar. Group occasion call, description. This is where are we going to talk to each other. We can have when this is going to happen. And now you see the settings here, set a deadline or send automatic reminders. This is what you can edit. And then we go further. So custom invites fields. Show answers in created calendar events. We will add responses to calendar events. And you can simply edit it, right? Email name. What's your, where are you from? And let's say required. So this is a one-to-one that you can have. And let's say I'm going to have it in 2 days. Again, you got those settings here, what you can edit it and how you can edit it. Create invite and continue. Now I'm going to share the invite, and again, you can email it or you can simply copy the link. Now when I'm going to copy the link, I can go again here, paste it. And here I can simply choose if it's going to be Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I see in Friday it's going to be 2 p.m. or Saturday 9:45. And this is pretty much it where someone can like choose it. So I'm going to choose this one here. Again, I would add a name, email, and where I'm from. These are the exact questions that we specified that we want from the one-on-one questionnaire, right? So where are you from? That's what we added. And then I'm going to simply click book it. And voila, here we got it. So this is how we can make it. Now, when we go even further, I'm going to show you how we can simply add a third one. And that's when I'm going back to Doodle. press create, and booking page. Let clients, coworkers, and more book time with you instantly. Display calendar so you can select best times, automatically add booked meetings to your calendar. And this is how you can do it. So you need to connect it to use it, but this is really similar. I'm not going to connect mine in this tutorial, but this is where you can add it. So we would connect the calendar and then you are free to go. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, about Doodle, let me down below in the comments. This was a tutorial for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're going to have a great day, and yeah, see ya.